Wait, say his name again? Jacob. Jacob! With the scar above his eyebrow? Yeah. Well, how do you know that?
Are you struggling to create
No,
AI
that's
dialogue videos
impossible.
that actually look good?
Show me his picture.
Maybe your characters keep changing in every scene. Maybe your animations look stiff and boring. Or maybe you don't even know where to start. Well, you're not alone. Most people make these mistakes, and that's exactly why their videos don't get views. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create AI dialogue videos using completely free tools. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to generate better dialogues, create consistent characters, and make your animations look far more realistic without spending a dime. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I make simple AI tutorials that help you create better content faster. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need is a story. Let's create a fun dialogue with ChatGPT. Most people think animation is the most important part. It's not. The dialogue is what keeps people watching. Now, let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a highly emotional short story. Here, I said, write a highly emotional short story about a guy who was secretly and deceptively dating two best friends at the same time, and later regretted his actions. Hook viewers with a compelling narrative arc and keep them watching till the end. Make the story relatable, deep, and full of suspense. It should teach a life lesson and be suitable for a 1-minute video narration. Use cliffhangers, plot twists, and emotional payoff. Please make sure the script is written in natural human language using human syntax. The reason this works is simple. People love conflict. They love surprises. They love emotional moments that make them wonder, what's coming next? As you can see, ChatGPT generated an interesting story. You can make yours 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even longer, depending on the platform you're posting on. Next, I told ChatGPT, put it in a dialogue format and start with the hottest part of the story. Starting with the most dramatic moment immediately grabs attention and increases viewer retention. And here's the dialogue it created. After that, I asked, give me image prompts in 3D Pixar style for each scene. Of course, you can choose any style you want: ultra-realistic, hyper-realistic, anime, cinematic, or cartoon styles. Now we have everything we need for the next step. Step 2. Create character images with Gemini. Now that we have our dialogue, it's time to create your characters. For this step, we'll be using Gemini. Simply download and open Gemini. Once it's open, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. I did the same thing for the other scenes and characters, and as you can see, our character remains consistent across all the images. This alone will make your video look much better. Wait, stop for a second. Most beginners make a huge mistake here. They create random images for every scene. Then suddenly, their characters have different faces, different hairstyles, different skin tones. Viewers notice this immediately, and it makes the video feel strange. Always keep your characters consistent. It takes a little extra effort, but it can dramatically improve the quality of your final video. Step 3. Bringing our characters to life. For this step, I'll be using Flow AI. Open your Chrome browser and search for Flow AI or Google Flow. Open the first result from Google Labs. Once the website opens, sign in with your Gmail account. You'll see an interface like this. Down here, click on New Project. Inside the project page, click the plus icon in the top right corner and select Upload Media. Import the images you generated, then click the plus icon again and upload your character image into the prompt box. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first part of your dialogue, and paste it into Flow. Click the video settings icon, choose the aspect ratio that matches your image, then select how many videos you want to generate. At the time of recording, Google Flow provides 50 free credits daily. Depending on the model you choose, that can be enough for multiple video generations. For example, OmniFlash uses 25 credits per video, VO 3.1 Fast uses 20 credits, VO 3.1 Quality uses 100 credits, and VO 3.1 Lite only uses 10 credits. Once everything is set up, click Generate. Wait a few minutes, and your video is ready. Now let's watch the result.
Wait, say his name again. Oh, Jacob. Jacob. With the scar above his eyebrow? Yeah, how do you know that?
Notice how the characters stay consistent while the dialogue drives the story forward. That's exactly what keeps viewers engaged. If you're happy with the result, click and hold the video to download it. And that's how you animate your scenes one step at a time. Remember this, a great story with simple animation will almost always outperform a boring story with amazing animation. The story creates retention. The animation simply helps bring it to life. The real secret to going viral. A lot of people think viral videos require expensive software. They don't. What viewers really want is curiosity. They want answers. They want surprises. They want to know what happens next. That's why strong dialogue performs so well. Every scene should create a new question inside the viewer's mind. Try adding funny moments, unexpected responses, big arguments, emotional twists, and surprising reveals. The goal is simple. Give viewers a reason to stay until the very last second. The one mistake that kills most AI videos. Remember when I said I'd share the mistake that ruins most AI dialogue videos? Here it is. Most creators spend 90% of their time perfecting animations and only 10% creating the story. But viewers don't stay because of smooth animation. They stay because they care about what happens next. A mediocre animation with a great story can perform surprisingly well. A beautiful animation with a boring story usually won't. So spend more time improving your dialogue. That's where the real magic happens. Let's recap. Step 1, use ChatGPT to create a compelling dialogue. Step 2, use Gemini to create consistent characters. Step 3, use Flow to animate everything. That's it. 3 free tools, 1 simple workflow. And now you know exactly how to create AI dialogue videos from start to finish. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI animation tutorials, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. In the next video, I'll show you how to make your AI characters sound far more realistic and increase viewer retention even further. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one!